How to set up ProppyGems in Proffis. Go to the Business Tools landing page. Select the Settings icon. Select the Gems icon to begin the setup of ProppyGems. Enable the toggle button to activate the function to accept ProppyGems as part or full payment. Set the equivalent value of ProppyGems in exchange for money. Example, 1 gems equals Rm1. Set the percentage of ProppyGems used for each order. Example of ProppyGems Setup. Scenario example, number 1. Merchant sets 1 ProppyGems to equal Rm1, number 2. Merchant sets the checkout percentage at 10%, number 3. The total sum of the customer's order is Rm100, number 4. Customer will pay Rm90 and 10 ProppyGems to complete the order. Select Next to save the ProppyGems setting.